You think that downtown Las Vegas is all for the bros, clubbing, nightlife, party, lax sophistication? Well, downtown Las Vegas is about to get a huge glow up with Cello Towers here in Symphony Park. This is a luxury master plan high-rise community being built right here in downtown Las Vegas. We're gonna go talk to Joe and Tiffany and find out everything we need to know about Cello Tower.
We are in downtown Las Vegas at the latest high-rise Cello Towers, and we're gonna meet with Tiffany and get the scoop. Tiffany.
Hi, great to see you guys.
Thank you. Tell us what you got going here.
Absolutely. Well, down here at the Sales Experience Center, we've got a vignette built out of an example kitchen that we have, one of our 2-bedroom den floor plans. We can step over here. This is how it typically comes. We only have one upgrade in here, which is the Viking appliance package, but the porcelain waterfall island, the porcelain backsplash, the backlit cabinetry, toe kicks, all of that's on a dimmer. That's all standard with the home.
I love the backlit cabinets. It really adds to the vibe.
And then of course, high-rise storage is very important. So every home, every kitchen will come with an appliance garage. So you can tuck away those countertop appliances, keep everything nice and tidy.
This way when your guests come over unexpectedly, it still looks good.
That's right. Yeah, just throw it all in there, shut it off. But we have 3 different color palettes that we're offering. This is a medium color palette. We have a lighter and a darker. We've kept any packages and upgrades to a minimum. There's about 7 to choose from.
Love this Viking stove. This is beautiful.
Yeah, that'll actually be a 6-burner. The stove, the oven, the hood, that's all, everything Viking in the upgrade, and a Thermador wine refrigerator.
So otherwise this would be a pantry?
This would be a pull-out pantry in the non-upgrade.
What do you think, Em? Should we get the pantry or the wine?
No, the wine,
Yeah. 56.
A little bit of a collection there.
That's almost enough for you for a weekend, Em.
We would have fun together.
I love this island. There's so much space, and I love the finishes. And I'm blown away that
This is one of our larger floor plans, but all of the floor plans are very well thought out, very methodical in the sense that they can be utilized as a primary residence. You know, the functionality, the king size beds in every bedroom. Every bedroom has a walk-in closet. Every home fits full-size washer dryer, things to that home.
So how many different floor plan layouts do people have to choose from?
Oh, in total, we're over 20.
Over 20?
Over 20 to choose from. Yeah, there's 240 residences within the tower.
And you said you were 35%?
We're about 35% under contract. About 150 million in sales is where we're at right now. So
that's a really good start.
Yeah. We're offering 1-bedroom, 1-bedroom den, 2-bedroom, and 2-bedroom dens.
Okay.
They range up to from about 850 square feet up to 1852 square feet, 54 square feet.
Okay.
And then we have penthouse collection as well on the top 2 levels.
Top 2?
Those get up to about 2,600 square feet.
What would be the entry point on the 800 square foot 1-bedroom unit?
Great question. Great question. We're starting in the high 7s.
Okay.
Yes. So for what we have remaining available, and they range up to about 3.1 million for current pricing.
Okay.
And then our penthouse collection is 7.6 and up.
Damn.
Yeah. So we'll take a walk over here. We actually have a primary bath built out, extended out throughout the bathroom. It would typically be a level 4 drywall finish, starting at the shower area. And a lot of great space. This is all functional space behind you. So as I mentioned, high-rise storage is very important. Color scheme is throughout the home, right? So
we've gone over the units. Now we're gonna move forward into the master plan part of Cello Towers, but I haven't seen a single cello out here yet. Tiffany, what's up with that?
Well, it's a theme. We're in Symphony Park, right? It's a 61-acre master plan development. So there's a musical thing, in case you didn't recognize that yet. The Smith Center of the Performing Arts, top 10 performing arts theater in the world. Also the Children's Discovery Museum, the Louisville Center for Brain Health, Cleveland Clinic, and the Las Vegas Museum of Art that's coming, and it's set to be completed at the end of 2028, early 2029. That's gonna be to the lot right here to the south of us. Our developer is also consulting on that as well.
That building looks like a very luxury handbag as far as the style. I was like, that's one of the things for any of you watching that are outside the Las Vegas market. You may not know about downtown Las Vegas. If we go back through the history, it's where the beginning of Las Vegas actually was. And this has been a fun recreation of the entire area. And to your point, between the Smith Center, the Cleveland Clinic, I mean, those are absolutely top notch. And this project's gonna be cool because it's gonna be walkable. Like, you know, give that walkable feeling, which quite frankly, we don't have a lot of that in Las Vegas. So it's going to be a nice addition to the community.
Hit it on a great point, sort of where Las Vegas was founded, hence the name of our mixed-use development, which is called Origin. So Origin also is going to offer culinary options. We'll have a grocery store. We have a well-known School of Arts that's going to be moving in there as well. That's going to be announced shortly. But we'll have all different types of culinary options, office and retail space right at the foot of Cello. About a 6
But no cellos, still no cellos.
No cellos.
Cellos around here eventually.
Actually, we'll show you a little bit more about Cello. So you can see where the promenade area kind of curves around. We'll have 153 residences. That's a luxury rental building, 5-story mid-rise. The grocery store will be here on the northeast corner, and the School of Arts will be on the top 2 levels above. And then we'll have restaurants, a little cafe, indoor, outdoor dining experiences all through the promenade area.
Estimated completion, what's the build cycle on this with a high-rise, 3 years?
We're expecting to do some of our first closings the 4th quarter of 2027, leading into early 2028.
Okay, perfect. So that's not that far away. Very, very exciting.
I'll have my money ready by then.
So Cello is actually a 32-story building, 240 residences, and we're offering over 40,000 square feet of amenities, luxury amenities. Very few comparables in the city right now, so it's the first high-rise to be built in 16 years.
Talk to me a little bit about parking. How is that going to work?
So each residence that's purchased comes with 1 parking space and also a climate-controlled storage locker. Additional parking can be purchased while we have availability for that. So anything other than the primary vehicle, like any secondary or guest parking, would be valet. We'll have 24-hour valet service, concierge, and security staged right inside the 30-foot lobby entrance. We'll have a pet park, a pet spa as well. On the 2nd level is our health and wellness. The 7th floor offers our rooftop pool, which has full strip views and downtown Las Vegas views. There's 2 cocktail bars on the 7th floor. You have jacuzzi, cabanas, fire pits, barbecue pits, pet park on the northwest corner, and a terrace, an outdoor terrace facing the sunset.
One concern that anybody has living downtown in any city is security. Well, here at Cello Towers, they have AI security systems that alert the on-site securities of any suspicious activities happening.